KOA in Fort Mill, South Carolina. The railing right here, it's like leaning, it's off, it's not centered, it's hanging off, and yeah, that's our screen, that's not theirs. But here's what greets you as you walk into this place. I put the carpet over there because it was so filthy. And we have all this stuff here. The floor is dirty. This door is filthy. You can see that it's supposed to be white. It is not. This handle up here is nasty. It's to the point where I wouldn't even want to touch it. We didn't know that there was no linens involved in this place, so no bedding, no pillows. This is how we found the refrigerator, and underneath here, this was all open when we walked in. I don't know why. The temperature's been warm enough. The refrigerator is not turned on. I'm assuming it doesn't work since it was all like this and not even put together right. The sink was completely filthy. I have pictures of that. I brought my own Clorox and cleaned it. This is how the coffee pot is. I would not drink from this. You can see the dirt that's all in here. There is dirt up in here. It's disgusting. Disgusting. We have the bedding, which I had Clorox wipes. And then we have these things that knobs are all broken off. Oh my Lord, and the dirt within the vent. There's like black mold. There's stuff sitting right up in here. That's gross. That's just completely gross. The bed, I have Clorox wipe-ups. I did wipe them off. I'm hoping to find something at the store tonight that I can cover that with. This table, we'll never put it down because that's disgusting. That's absolutely filthy. Here, we'll show you the ceiling fan. Once it starts going, it'll start. I mean, it's wobbling a little bit. It will wobble. I'm not going to use all my film up on the wobble. It's not worth it. I won't get paid back for it. This is how the bathroom was. Seriously? And look how filthy. You know. I already sprayed the toilet with Clorox. And we won't be taking a shower. There's still hair in it from before. There was hair in the sinks, and I'm not talking about hair on the head. This is completely filthy and dusty. There's dust sitting everywhere. I won't even venture up there because I'm sure that just collects, and so does this. I have no doubt that will just keep collecting the dust and the filth and whatever else. But we paid $100 and some for this room. What a sham. I would never. If I'd seen this before we had paid for it, we would not have come.